Yeah, hey Beau, I'm calling about your Mill Run 36 units you have for sale over in Gainesville. Is that in a pretty good location?
Welcome to Mill Run. This offering is for 36 units, all 2-bedroom, 1-baths ranging from 820 to 870 square feet. And renewals and new leases are ranging from $875 to $900 a month. Now, each of the units are flats. This is located in Mill Run, which is a subdivision of 53 different lots. This offering is for 9 quadplex lots, and each of the buildings has been meticulously cared for by an awesome owner. By the way, they will be happy to stay on and manage the units after the sale, or you're in a market where there is a myriad of choices of excellent managers. Let's take a look at the rest of this place. Now we're going to drive all the way through Mill Run, and I'll point out each building along the way. Part of the offering, these 3 quadruplexes right here. Next up, we have both of these buildings right here and this building right here. Then this building. And the next one. And the 9th building. And here we have the pool and clubhouse. Now what's really convenient is you get to park right up front and walk right into your front door. Each of the buildings is concrete block on the first floor, frame up top, 2-bedroom, 1-bath flats. So you got flat, 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 flat. Now we're not going to do interior tours today because all 36 units are 100% occupied, but I've got a property management interior tour of a vacant unit in the marketing package. For now, let me show you the exteriors of all the buildings. Now that we've seen all of the exteriors of the buildings, let me show you all of the locational amenities nearby. So we're at Forest Park, which is 30 seconds down the road from the subject property. It's got basketball, it's got fields, soccer, and of course my skills are ridiculous. Oh, give me that, give me that. Swish. Oh no! This really is an incredible investment. 36 units, Mill Run, a park right down the road, 3 million square feet of retail. You know what to do. Bring me an offer. Let's go!